Chapter Excretory Products and their Elimination. 1. A decrease in blood pressure or volume will not cause the release of option A. Atrial natriuretic factor, B. Aldosterone, C. ADH, D. Renin. Answer option A. Atrial natriuretic factor. 2. The part of nephron involved in active reabsorption of sodium is A. Distal convoluted tubule, B. Proximal convoluted tubule, C. Bowman capsule, D. Descending limb of Henle loop. Answer option B. Proximal convoluted tubule. Which one of the following is not a part of renal pyramid? A. Peritubular capillaries, B. Convoluted tubules, C. Collecting duct, D. Loop of Henle. Answer option B. Convoluted tubule. Uric acid is the chief nitrogenous component of the excretory products of option A. Earthworm, B. Cockroach, C. Frog, D. Man. Answer option B. Cockroach. A fall in glomerular filtration rate GFR activates option A. Juxtaglomerular cells to release renin, B. Adrenal cortex to release aldosterone, C. Adrenal medulla to release adrenaline, D. Posterior pituitary to release vasopressin. Answer option A. Juxtaglomerular cells to release renin.